Da-da-da-da-da. You ready to get started? Am I ready to get started? Yeah, I'm ready to get started. All right. BOOZHOO! Gakira Awiya. Hello, everybody. And welcome back to the show.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE, language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. We speak OJIBWE. Demon Wayne Dum G-A-I-on Homanun Goon in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast.
about Ojibwe language
And culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Here's a story. Once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a little girl who wore a red hood. And she rode around with this red hood. So they called her Little Red Riding Hood. Right? Okay. And she lived with her mother. They lived together. And their grandmother lived over the hill and through the woods. Kind of a hike away from them. Well, one morning, the mom says to Little Red Riding Hood, "Hey, Little Red, why don't you take this basket of goodies I made for your grandma?" And Little Red says, you want me to carry all these goodies to Grandma's house on my own? But she lives over the hill and through the woods. And the mom was like, "Well, yeah, go ahead. It'll be fine." But Little Red was like, "Well, what about all the wolves?" She goes, "Don't worry about the wolves. You'll be fine. You got treats." And so off she goes. Over the hill and through the woods to Grandmother's house we go. And she's walking through the woods there, right? What happens? Sure enough, big bad wolf shows up. And the big bad wolf says, "Hey, Little Red, what you got in that basket there?" And Little Red, she goes, "Well, I got a basket of goodies. I'm bringing it to my grandma's house." And the wolf is like, "Oh, is that right? Well, okay, you have a good day now." And off he went. And so Little Red Riding Hood carried on, walking through the woods, over the hill, through the woods, to Grandmother's house she goes. And eventually, she gets to Grandma's house. Well, unbeknownst to Little Red, that wolf, he ran ahead and went to Grandma's house before her. And, I don't even want to say it. It's a kid's story. But he ate her up. He killed Grandma, ate her. Well, I don't know if he killed her, but he ate her in one gulp, is the story, as I remember it. Anyway, and he puts on her clothes, right? Well, pretty soon, Little Red shows up and, she knocks on that door. And the wolf answers in Grandmother's clothing, and Little Red goes, "Hey, You know, what's going on here? Grandma, what big eyes you have. And the wolf in Grandma's clothing says, oh, you know, the better to see you with. Well, pretty soon she goes, well, Grandma, what big ears you have. Yeah, I know about that. It's the better to hear you with. And then pretty soon she goes, but Grandma, what big teeth you have. And that's when the wolf kind of gets evil and he goes, yeah, guess what? The better to eat you with. And he eats her up. Horrible. Well, pretty soon, friendly woodsman comes by. He's like, hey, what's going on here? And he kills the wolf and then cuts him open. And out pops Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother. Only partially digested. So they were fine. And it was a happy ending. And this is the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Can you believe it? That story is so dark and grim. I know. I don't know why it's a children's story. To learn more about beloved children's stories, visit your local library. Library. What'd I say? You said library. Oh, I hate that. Library. What's a library? Is that like a strawberry that won't tell the truth? No, he tells lies. He's a library. All right, anyway. Thank you for watching. Miigwech gonna wubby egg. Thank you for watching. And I will see you again. Ki gawaba min minawa. Hoa. All right. Hey, if you'd like to support the show, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and all that. And become a Patreon. Nah, don't become a Patreon. I'm sick of asking people for money. Don't give us any money. Yeah.